So today I'll be sharing a recipe from volume 2 of my cookbook, and a link will be in the description box below. So here I have 3 tablespoons of aquafaba that I have whipped up, and I've also added in 1/3 cup of agave powder. And this is 100% organic blue agave powder. It has no additional additives. And so I've mixed those two together. I will also put a link at the end of the video and in the description box on how I make my aquafaba, which is basically chickpea liquid that's been whipped up. So you want to mix those and set them aside. So for the doughnut batter, I have 1½ cups of spelt flour, 1 cup of ground toasted black sesame seeds, 1 cup of date sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. You want to go ahead and mix those together so that they are nice and combined. And then you want to move on to add in your wet ingredients, which will be 1/3 cup of grapeseed oil and 2/3 cups of agave syrup, along with 1 cup of sparkling spring water. And this is what it looks like once it has been combined together. So I'm using this donut pan, and I'll leave a link in the description box below on where I purchased this. And you just want to grease that pan and then fold in your whipped aquafaba. Fold it in gently, and this is what the mixture will look like. You want to go ahead and add that to your donut pan, and you want to bake this on 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like once it has come out of the oven. It's nice and soft and fluffy. Now I do have a recipe for a simple glaze, and I'll link that at the end of the video in the description box as well, so you can make that if you'd like. And this is what the inside looks like. It is really soft and delicious. And there you have it.